Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to bag FC26, and over a period of time it's going to cost you less than 20 quid. This is what you need to do that. First things you need to do is click on this, or it's in the description if you can't scan the QR code, this link. This will take you to Topcasback. Now you need to be a new customer, so if you're not a new customer, set it up under a fake or a different email address. Once you're signed up, you then go to the Argos website within the Topcasback. You click on the Argos and that will take you to the Argos site. On the Argos site, you then go to here and select FC26 for either console or PC or whatever format you want this in. You then complete your purchase as normal. When you go back to the Topcasback site, it will then tell you you've got £10 cash coming back to you. And that normally takes a couple of weeks for you to withdraw that cash back into your bank account. Now currently on Argos, it's £37 for the PlayStation 5 edition of FC26. So straight away, you're paying 27 quid for it, which for me I think is an absolute bargain at this point of its release. It's only been out for just over a month or less than a month. So that's it, so you bag some money there. Now the next thing to do is to save the next bit of money is you're gonna have to wait 12 months. Because what you then do is you've got, where before with most games now, they're download editions, you can't flog them. But this now, you can flog it. Now if you look here, this is today, middle of November, this is what FC25 is going for. It's varying between 11 and £44. These are the completed listings on eBay in the last couple of days. So you're going to bag yourself another 10 quid back by selling this game, and it puts it towards FC27. And that's it, as simple as that. I hope that's useful. I know it's a bit of a long game to get your money back, but it saves you a few quid. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give us a like. Please give us a subscribe. It really does help us. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.